Hi everyone, in this video we're going to talk about disqualification, how to get qualified appointment in your funnel. So if you're doing sales calls, it's very important that you get only qualified appointment to make sure that you're not wasting time with non-qualified buyers. So, and iClosed does just that. So iClosed, in case you don't know, it's a new type of scheduler that allows you to get more leads, but also qualify automatically all your leads. Let me show you how it works. So here we have the scheduler. Of course, you can embed it in your website, but what interests you in this video, it's about this qualification that we have here. So first, to be able to disqualify, we have to put some question. So here you can set all the question. You can add more question if you want, but in this case we are asking company size and current revenue. And you can see here in our event, I'm just going to put a French number since you all know, guys, French. And let's say if I continue, I put my name or whatever, and you can see that the form is dynamic. So the prospect only gonna see those information, those questions, only if they fill the form. Why we have this dynamic form with iClosed is just because that we found that, iClosed is here, is a high converting scheduler to get you more leads. And we found that when people see a long form, they're less likely to engage and to fill it entirely, which is why with iClosed, we just ask for the phone number and name or email. You can swap it as much as you like. But the bottom line is that if you come back here on global data, you'll see that this lead is actually saved. And you can see that the phone number is the exact same phone number that I put. So if the prospect leaves, we can still call them back. The SDR appointment setter, they can call them back and book them again. And this is how people using iClosed generate tens of thousands extra dollar every single month just by capturing extra lead. So now we're going to talk about disqualification. Like I explained to you just a minute ago, here we have company size, revenue, and this is all question that we ask over here. And you can of course add more question if you want, any type of question. And whenever you have that, and you can go in disqualification, and here we will be able to disqualify based on certain criteria. So what are the criteria that you can disqualify within iClosed? Simple. This phone number, let's say that you only target a certain region, you can definitely do that. Let's say we don't want to like certain country or the whole region. One click, Africa for example, or South America, Europe, whatever. It's very customizable, and you can create and an if kind of condition. And you can also disqualify based on what they answer in the form. So for example, company size, and you can meet 1 to 20 for example, and you can save the question. What you can, something super cool that you can also do here, I'm gonna go back here, and I can also just make for business email address. So if you're doing B2B, very useful to make sure that only the people that are, when someone put an email, it's going to be prompt to add a business email, just to make sure that you're not dealing with B2C type of email address, just to make sure that your SDR team can qualify them correctly. Okay, so let's cancel that and let's come back, and I'm going to refresh this page, and I'm just going to fill the form real quick, put email address, gmail.com, and I'm gonna pick 1 to 20 and less than 100k. And technically, if I continue here, you're gonna see that I will not be able to book a call, as you see here. Why? Because I'm disqualified. So we are not gonna offend the prospect by telling him, hey, you're not qualified, blah blah blah. No, we're just gonna say, hey, we don't have the right time, come back later. And if I come back in my global data, you can see that I'm gonna refresh this page, and you're gonna see here the end, that's me, and I'm disqualified. So all the leads that are not qualified, you still have them in your global data, and your sales team can still reach out to them whenever they have the time, but you make sure that you're not getting your sales team overwhelmed by prospects that are not qualified. This is particularly very useful whenever you do some kind of marketing strategy, Facebook ads, Google ads, and whenever you have a lot of leads coming in and you don't want to just have your scheduler full of prospects that actually are not ready to buy right now. So then the sales team can focus on the prospect that booked a call and are qualified, or all the leads that the scheduler got because of those abandoned leads that didn't end up booking a call. So this is how the qualification with iClosed, how it works. If you're interested, you have a free trial, link on bio. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.